What's up, everyone? I just got my screencast to work with a mic. I'm using GTK record my desktop instead of XVidCap. I've really liked XVidCap, but I can't get the mic to work for whatever reason. I think it has to do between some type of argument between the two inputs that I have, the line in and the microphone. And I'm too stupid to figure that out, so I got an application that works now. GTK recorded my desktop. It's treating me kind. So I'm just gonna be showing a quick minesweeper tutorial. Why the hell not? Oh yeah, I'm gonna start with something small. So whatever. If you don't like it, that sucks for you. You can click another video. This one probably sucks anyways. You know, whatever. To start with, what the numbers represent is how many mines is that square touching. So this is touching one mine. So that one, it could be this one, or it could be this one. But since we have this number, we can know that it's this one. Because this is only touching one possible, and it has to touch one mine. So therefore, that's going to be the mine. Also, since we have this number right here, and it's only going to touch one, we know that one's not going to be a mine. I say that it's satisfied. Yeah, that helps me. It should help you guys too. Also, this is only touching two, so you can know that one's a mine. And then here's a little more complicated type thing. These are kind of like unknowns, but you kind of mitigated where they could possibly be. So unknown mitigated possibilities is what I'd call it, but I don't know. Whatever. But because of this mitigated possibilities, you know that it's not going to be this one because it has to be one of these. Also, this is kind of a little bit more complex than beginner stuff, but this one's only going to touch one, and this one has to touch two. And they're touching pretty much all the same squares, so you know that one is going to be a mine because it can't be like two of these because this one only can touch one, so it has to be that one, and that satisfies this one, which gives you a lot of moves actually, and then you can do the two there. This is kind of like a wide open thing. You don't even need to know that because it's touching one, but this is a pattern right here. I'll start here. This will be easier because you don't just see that one. The reason that this is this way all the time when it's 1 2 1 on a wall is, well, if it's not touching any other things. If it's just like a wall, then 1 2 1, it has to be wide open like this, because the three possible solutions in accord to that 2 would be like that, which is an extraneous answer because of that 1. This one would also be an extraneous answer because of that 1. So you do it like that if it's a 1 2 1 pattern, and then that 2's satisfied, and then it's gotta be one of those. You know it's not gonna be that one. The 2, it's gonna be one of these, so you know it's not gonna be those 3. This only happens in mines, which is in Linux. But if you have a blank space like that, that means it's not touching any mines. And this usually only happens if you put these question marks here. So a lot of people don't use those. You don't need to, but if you have that empty space in mines, if you're using that, then you know that one's not going to be. You can also tell like right here too. So that kind of sucks. When you're doing the more complex type stuff, it helps me if you do question marks, but it's just preference mostly. You don't even have to flag stuff, but I don't know anyone who chooses to do that. So you know these 2 are going to be mines because this is touching 2. And then voila, we won. The end of the tutorial. Yay! It's over. Maybe I'll do some more complex stuff if you like it. Comment it. Say it sucks. I don't care. Just do something with it. Peace.